All right, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Hopefully you can see them flying around. And you see them moving around. Okay, they're going to do this for a day or so. And the reason why they're going to do this is because they're getting used to their area. And they're getting used to where the hive is actually at. So when they go out and start foraging, they have the, you know how bees do it. They have their way back, their path to get back to the hive. So they're just acclimating themselves. They're going to fly around like this. They may do it for 2 days, but they're just going to get themselves together, get themselves used to where they are. And also there's something that they're doing, it's just a little bit, it's called bearding, where they're all gathering up at the bottom down there. And they'll do that even on a hot day. They'll come out and you'll see them all over the box. But like I said, they're going to be doing this, swarming around. They're not going to go out looking for stuff. They're just going to circle around the area until they get adjusted and know where they're at. All right, so I want to bring you some more information. Like earlier today when we got the hive set up, I told you that they would be outside of the hive probably all day, just trying to get themselves acclimated. But I don't know if you can quite see this yet. I'll try to zoom in a little bit more. But they're no longer swarming around the box, but they're actually working. So they're flying out and flying back in and packing stuff on their legs. So that's pretty good. I didn't expect for them to do that on the first day. So they're actually working now, which is really good. So just wanted to bring you that piece of information. As soon as you get your hives, they'll actually start working, unless they just need to get adjusted. But it's awesome to see that. All right, take care.